What's up, y'all? It's your girl Stephanie, and today I am showing you this very sexy, easy evening eye look. I love how copper is so well complemented by blue, and I feel like I've seen a lot of people doing this combination lately, so I decided to try it out for myself, and I am loving it. This video is in partnership with Rimmel, so everything in this video is very affordable. So before we get into it, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe below, come join the sisterhood, and make sure to press that little bell button to get my notifications. All right, let's get started. Okay, everyone, I have my face and brows done, so we can jump right into the eyes. I am using the Rimmel Magnifies Color Edition for this look. This is a 12-shade palette with a mix of high shimmer and matte shades, and we are going to grab that beautiful copper right in the middle with a regular eyeshadow brush and pack that onto the lid. It's really up to you how far up you push this color. This time around, I definitely blended it up further than previous times I've done this look. You can also wet the brush to get a more intense color, but to be honest, this dry is pretty great already. Here I am blending the color up with a fluffy brush, but you can also start off with color on your fluffy brush in the crease and then pack it onto the eyelid. It's really up to you. This is a really simple look with very high impact at nighttime. These eyeshadows really pop. As you can see, I blended pretty far up my crease, so we are now going to dip into that bright matte blue. With a short shader brush, I'm just pushing that color into my lower lash line. Again, totally up to you how much you bring this color down. I made mine pretty thick because I wanted it to reach the very tips of my lower lashes. I know this looks kind of crazy without mascara, so let's go ahead and apply. We are first using the Lash Accelerator Serum. This product gives you fuller, longer, healthier lashes and brows in 30 days. It has a unique hybrid applicator for both your lashes and brows. And as you can see, I am applying before mascara, but you can also use it before bed. This makes a huge difference for me. It really helps the mascara attach itself to my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Lash Accelerator Mascara. This mascara also has a Grow Lash Complex in it. So here I'm really just pushing the wand into my lower lash line and pulling it down so they get as long as possible, and of course, doing the same for the upper, just in the opposite direction. And here we are with the eyes pretty much done. I wanted to add a little highlight to my brow bone, so I grabbed this shimmery champagne and just swipe that color under my brows. Jumping right into the lips, I wanted to use a nude since this eye is so bold, so I'm using a matte liquid lip color in Be My Baby. I honestly didn't think I would like this color when I first used it because it was so light to me, but when I saw it on, I totally fell in love. This is one of my new favorite lip colors. It just goes so well with bold eye looks, and this formula is really so nice and long lasting. With that lip color applied though, this look is complete. I'm so into it. I went out with this on the other night and I felt very sultry. And if I can apply this makeup, you definitely can as well. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Rimmel for partnering with me in this video. Like always, all the items I mentioned will be linked in the description box down below. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe, press the little bell button. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.